Hello everyone and welcome back to Jacklit Educational Channel. So this video is all about the notice which came out by the NTA UGC NET that December 2020 examination is merged with the June 21 examination. So whether this is a positive news or negative news, all the queries and all the things which are going on in your mind, we will discuss here in this video. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So first of all, what this notice was. So this notice stated that was on 10th of August 2021 that online portal is open for the submission of UGC NET 2020 examination. So it was already open, but now it is again opening because both the cycles, which are December 2020 and UGC NET 2021 June exam, they are merged. So now students can again apply, those who haven't applied. So I am telling once again, those who haven't applied, they can apply in between 10th of August to 5th of September 2021, and those who have applied already, no need to worry about this, no need to apply again. Now they haven't told that when the admit card will be available, but they have confirmed that the examination will be in between 6th of October to 11th of October 2021. So this was all about this notice, and the most important part is the notice which is given along with this part. So this part is very important, and many of you are confused that whether it will be how many candidates selected for JRFs. So this is clearly stating that the examination are merged, that is December and June 2021, but the methodology for subject wise cum category wise allocation for JRF shall remain unchanged. So unchanged means it will remain same. So what the criteria was? The criteria was 6% rule. So I will explain you briefly that the NET UGC, how it selects the UGC NET qualified candidates. So for example, this is 6% rule is some 1000 students have appeared for a subject, for example environmental science subject, and they have appeared for both the paper, that is paper 1 and paper 2, they have appeared in a single examination, it is obvious. So from those 1000 candidates, 6% will be selected. 6% will be 60 candidates will be selected as NET qualified or NET LS qualified, and from this 60, 6% will be selected as NET JRF qualified. That means approximately around 4 students from the thousands will be selected for the JRF category. So this allocation technique will remain unchanged. So 6% will be there. It is not that 6% of December 2020 plus 6% of June 2021. So this will not make that JRF will be increased and the percentage will increase to 12%. It is absolutely wrong. Those statements are given are very incorrect. The seats are not going to increase. The change formula will be done and it will be based on the 6% rule. Now we will see whether it is positive and negative, and you should know everything is having its both positive and negative side, but let's know what are the negative side first about this news, and then we'll go for the positive side, that is the good news, because we should end this video with some good vibe. So शुरू करते हैं. Some negative thing or some disappointment is that first is competition level. Yes, competition level will definitely increase. Why? Because the more students will apply now. So those who have thought that they will not apply for this time, they are also applying, and they will also apply till the last date, and as the date is extended, more students will apply, so more the competition will be seen in the UGC NET this examination for sure. So competition level बढ़ गया होगा, and now we should compete with more candidates as compared to the previous examination. Next negative thing we will know, and what are the thing which you have lost, that is the chance is lost. What chance is lost? So in 1 year the UGC NET conducts twice this NET examination, 2 times, but as this examination is merged, that means 1 chance you have lost. So you have lost 1 chance of appearing for UGC NET, you have lost 1 chance of getting the JRF, which is your dream. But now we will know that what are the positive things, what is the thing which should be considering from this notice. So first thing is the 6% rule of NET. So I have already explained. Now I will say how this is beneficial from this notice. So it is beneficial. I will tell you with an example. that let us assume 1000 candidates have applied for your paper for this UGC NET exam. 6% will be selected for the NET, that is NET LS. So 6% means 60 candidates will be selected as NET LS. Now from that also 4 candidates will be selected as NET JRF. So now what happens is, as you have seen that more candidates are now applying. So let us assume now 2000 candidates are applying. So previously they were 1000. Now as the date is extended, more number of candidates have applied. So from 2000, the 6% will be selected as NET LS. So 6% of 2000 is how much? It is 120. So you can see the number of seats has increased, but the rule is same. So 120 candidates now get NET LS if the number of students appearing increased from 1000 to 2000. Similarly, NET JRF 8 candidates will get, but before if it would have been 1000, then they would have got only 4 JRF. So you can see that this is the positive thing. More students are applying, competition is more, that is obvious, but more number of seats will be there for the NET LS and NET JRF category because 6% rule will be mandatory. I hope you are able to understand. Now coming to the next thing, that is the positive thing, that is the hard work always pays off. Yes, hard work always pays off means now you would have prepared, now you will get some more time for preparation. Now you can complete those things which you have left. So जो भी चीज़ आपने लीव किया होगा, आपने skip किया होगा, now you can revise them. Your revision will be more strong. You can recap the values and formulas for the numericals. Now you can also clear your some of the concepts which you are having still time with you. So hard work will definitely pay off. जितना भी time बढ़ रहा है, don't think that it will cause panic. It will boost your confidence. It should boost your confidence that yes, my preparation is going more and more stronger. I will get the JRF this time. So these were 2 negative and 2 positive things, that is pros and cons from this notice which came from the NTA UGC NET. I hope you are clear with now, but no JRF seats will be increased. It will not be doubled, but yes, 6% criteria will be there, and if more students are applying, 6% will be more for more students. So I hope you have got the idea which you are looking for. Now if you want more such videos and updates, do follow us, subscribe to the channel, and stay blessed.